Feature Friday Sim Olympics edition. We got Team Brazil, Team Ireland, and Team Canada. We'll take you down there. Okay, finals of the floor tumbling routine. We've already finished the iron cross, that's why I'm sweating profusely, and I took the victory. But this is for all the marbles here. Eduardo Sabe, Team Brazil, trained his whole life for this moment. Oh! Slow pass. No, he split his pants. Next up, Laura Patton, Team Ireland. Oh, elegant. Elegant. What did the judges say? Come on, really? Oh, yeah, don't take that the wrong way. Tens? Okay, here we go. I've seen on TV they do this a lot. Ready? Okay. Oh. Glasses! What? Brutal. Thanks for the claps, fans. I got 7 fans. Actually, up to it. Okay, medal, now the medals. Thank you. Bronze. I think the fix was in. Team Brazil gets the what is that? Silver. And the gold, Team Ireland. Dominant performance by Laura Patton. As far as I'm concerned, this was a rigged game. I can't believe I would let you guys come into our country and dominate Canada like this. You take that home and you frame that. Key Feature Friday, coming right down cmexd.io. CMXD, a lot of shenanigans going on over here. A lot of Olympic themed shenanigans. We're gonna run with it. I got my man Ishu helping us out. We pushed a new feature in cmexd.io, the checklist feature. So really nice where you can just set up a new assembly type, in this case workflow, and directly from your workflow setup, go into the part or assembly workflow and generate a customizable checklist form. So what Ishu's done here is he selected a few window types, and then he can have comments. You can add an attachment or images. For example, if you're doing a quality control checklist of fabrication inside the factory or on assembly inside on the site, you can select a bunch of customizable forms for like pass with corrections, incomplete, fails, for example. And this checklist is automatically generated directly and saved inside your workflow, so that the next time you use this same production workflow, you can use the same checklist and share this with other people inside and outside the organization. So it's a really big feature for our customers, and it's just getting pushed this week. Checklist. I'm sweating.